name is Megan Hansen. For those of you guys that don't know, welcome to my YouTube channel or welcome to my blog, whichever one you are watching this on. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to share with you guys how to tie a knot in your t-shirt. I was at Hoity Toity the other day and they taught me that shirts don't always come with knots in them. I always bought a shirt that had a knot and I kept it in there and I never untied it because I didn't know how to get that knot back in. I've noticed that that is like the biggest trend right now is t-shirts with a knot in the bottom of them to kind of make them a little bit shorter, a little bit more fitting, and I love it. I at first was like super self-conscious about it because I've always been a little bit of the type of girl that I wear loose, baggy clothes. I've always been self-conscious of my hips because they're a little bit bigger, even though I know that that's silly because curves are beautiful, but it's just one of those things that's always in my mind. To solve that problem of being self-conscious, I figured out that if I wear jeans that just go right below my belly button, so they're not super high-rise, but they're not low-rise either, they're just mid-rise, I guess. They hide my stomach, my problem area, and my hips, and it's enough to where I can wear the cute, more crop top style shirts or the tie like I'm showing you in this video, and I don't feel self-conscious at all because it hides all of that. I love Abercrombie Jeans, Express, American Eagle, Nordstrom's has a bunch of really cute high-waisted or mid-rise jeans. And I always like to have some with like a cute pockets or cute distressed look. That way when you're wearing a cute crop top or a shirt that is tied, it shows off the jeans. Okay, so to tie a shirt, you just have your normal shirt. It's best if it goes up on the sides a little bit and then down in the back and down in the front. But basically, you just grab as much of the shirt as you can, at least this much. And then I always just wrap it around my hand like this. And then this part, I go over the top and under, just like you're tying a knot. I bring it through. And then it creates a knot. And then this end piece here, I don't know if you can see that, you just pull that. You don't want it to be a lot, but just pull a little. So there's about that much. And then you got yourself a cute tight shirt. If you want it to be looser, you just pull both of these a little bit and then you got a looser. It's not such a short tight knot, but it still is a cute little knot. So then you can see the details in your pants better. Because I love the distressed jean look up here. But if my shirt is too baggy, like if I just have it untied, then you don't see the jeans hardly at all. So that's why I like to tie it. Takes literally a second. Just pull it. And with these high-waisted jeans, it does not make it a belly shirt or anything. It just makes it more cute and flattering and it shows off your curves. So I just thought I would share that with you guys. This is kind of the new style and it's what I'm obsessed with. So I figured I'd share with you. Alright, thanks. I'll talk to you guys later. If you guys have any other fashion tips or questions, let me know and I'd be happy to go over them in a video. Alright, bye guys.